Yep, this is stupid. It's garbage, right? Why do I want a drift track cut in half this small, right? I'm gonna have to, if I put a piece of tape behind this, there's gonna be a ridge of tape because this stuff is so thin. This is very, very thin material. Look at this. So this is garbage. I'm gonna call it a claim. I don't even think this is worth even reviewing. It's also really badly done. Look at the pixelation. It's like this is like a 300 dpi photograph that they blew up to 1 meter. This is some amateur hour graphic design here. This is just garbage. I'm not even going to review this. I'm going to just put the Aliexpress listing up and tell you to avoid this company.